Hey, this is Jimmy with BeeGreen Recycling and Supply. We're here in our rental department to guide you through some key features and safety tips to help your rental experience go smooth and successful. Today, we're going to cover our Georipper Mini trencher. If you need to rip through your next trenching project, this is the tool for you. Before using any of our rental equipment, be sure to read the operating manual and warning labels. We've placed a QR code on each piece of equipment that will help you navigate to the operator manual and safety instructions. Let's go through the process of running this equipment. Make sure you are wearing the proper personal protective equipment recommended by the manufacturer. Check fluid levels. Ensure the machine is filled with the proper type of fuel. 1 full tank of fuel is included in your rental. However, if you're running the machine for an extended period, you will need to refill with the proper type of fuel. To start this machine, set the choke to close. This allows more fuel into the engine to help it with starting. Pull the cord to start. Don't worry if it doesn't start right away, as it might take a couple of pulls. Once the engine is started and warm, set the choke to the open position. Let the engine idle for 20 to 30 seconds. Pull the trigger all the way in to full throttle and hold it there for about 8 to 10 seconds. Finally, let the engine idle again for 10 to 20 seconds. You're now ready to go to work. When you're finished with your project, ensure that the rental equipment is clean before you return it. You can rinse the machine off with water, but please let it cool down before spraying the engine area. All right, we hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or leave a comment below. We'll see you soon.